Like that right there. Oh, nice. All right, boys, today is kind of Arrma Day, half Arrma Day, but what we're gonna be doing is something you guys have asked for. You've been asking for a Kraton versus a Sledge, so we're gonna get that going here since Bradley just got the deal of a lifetime on a Sledge. Pretty excited to see how that girl runs, but we each have a few modifications, so these aren't totally stock, but the biggest thing is stock power plants. And Bradley doesn't have the M2C chassis on his, so it might bend. So they're pretty well stocked besides a few components. So I think it's gonna be a good competition. Who do you think's gonna win? Comment before you watch the rest of this video. So let's get into it, boys. All right, got the Kraton out here. Got the Sledge out here. We're gonna be doing about the same thing with him. Let's go, Sledge. All right, all right, all right. Okay, nice tree shot there, buddy. Here comes a Mojave. John's Mojave. Oh, that's a tree shot, but it flipped me over. Nice, nice. Ah! Almost. Oh, massive tree shot. That was great. You're trying to take down all the trees. Oh, yeah. Double, no problem. Oh, that was a nasty shot there, bud. Bradley over here fixing his Sledge already. Let's go. Kraton running good on these diffs. Nice. Oh, flipped over again. You think you can hit a double? Now guys, really the only thing I've done to this power wise is I put it on punch 9 because you know you can adjust them. But the Sledge on the other hand, you know you can't adjust them. Ooh, he already got a little front tooth missing there. So he's just running on stock Traxxas system. I think the Spectrum systems are better in some ways just for the tunability. Oh, headshot, Brad.
I'm trying to watch Bradley murder this Sledge.
Yeah, this Sledge's not gonna make it out of today. No problem. So Bradley even has the backflips on there, but she's just not being able to rip a double, huh?
I need a bigger pinion.
Bigger pinion?
I've got a 7 back there, might try that.
Nice. You got it, Mojave! Ow!
Hey,
You flipped.
durability test this thing.
This is durability tested. Let me get a good one on this again. Uh-oh.
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 It's just a screw.
Just a screw. Well, Sledge won on that one. I'm gonna have to go put the screw back in. That's crazy, but this thing has been abused.
Are we counting height? Because if we're counting height, Sledge still isn't on the Kraton's level.
No, not yet. And the flip. I gotta go back and put a nut on, so
You busted a nut?
we're riding dirty. I'll be right back, boys. All right, back in action. Just had to put a little nut on there. All right, Brad, let's get some more sins. There you go. There you go. Look at that wheel, how it turns.
Tires, she's screaming.
Yeah.
I just like the way you fly.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh!
Out of the way, man.
I think my battery popped out. That's one thing with the EC5s, they pop out a lot. Oh yeah. Who y'all think's winning so far? Well, this is what happened. Battery didn't pop up on my little circuit thingy that makes sure I can run with one battery. I bought the cheap ones and it came unplugged. So I got to go back to the truck and get another one. Alrighty, so already had 2 issues with the Kraton. Sledge is doing all right. Not a big issue. We got her back up and running now. Woo!
I think I need to up the fluid. I need to put earplugs in the center diff, and then I think I can do doubles.
There you go. That's what I do with my Sledge. Okay. Why am I having so many electronic issues today? Now I can't steer. The Kraton doesn't want to show up today. All right, boys. So episode 1, the Kraton lost. I mean, it blew out a servo, had a bunch of issues. I know that's just from bashing a lot. His sledge held up, so we're gonna be back out here next week when I get a new servo and try it again. All right, guys, we got the Kraton back out here after having a bunch of issues, and here's a new sledge on the channel. Thanks to Mr. Andrew over here. We're gonna be having another Kraton versus Sledge video since Bradley want to give up. He already said his Sledge won, so we're gonna be bashing him today. Let's see which one lasts longer. There you go. This thing breaks again, man. It already broke. Oh, it already broke so much last time. Get you a good one. Okay, okay. Woo! Oh, nice tree shot there. You're good though. That wheel is so funny to me. Get you a good one. Oh yeah. Oh. Here's a Mojave. Get out your way, John. Nice one, John. So Andrew's sledge is pretty stock here. Pretty much bone stock. Got the stock chassis. Kraton's got the stock chassis. Stock power system. Stock power system. Stock Mojave. Stock Mojave. Completely stock. Not on max tires or anything. Look at it ride a wheelie. Yeah. Oh, tree shot. You're all the way down the hill. You probably took out a biker. Cinder sled. Oh yeah, there goes the tire. That's just the sound it makes whenever you rub on the body. Oh yeah. Let's go, John. Oh, how did I manage to fall? Oh! Man, you're a good basher. Keep taking out the trees. Oh, John took out the tree. There's you a double. Nice. Oh, and I just did a standing backflip and fell over. John had one more good sin. Sounds a lot better today, John. Now we're entering our little canyon over here. Goes a Mojave. Oh no, you lost your steering, John. Oh, you're ka-chowing. You're ka-chowing, dude. Okay, I don't know where you're going, but I don't think the truck does either. Come over here, right? Aim for the hill. Come on, Chevy. Come on, Chevy. Walk of shame down our 2-foot hill. Kraton's holding up so far. Diffs are holding up so far. Andrew's sledge holding up so far. See, the unbelted sledge tires are just so much better than belted because they let you flip.
They balloon out so much though.
Yeah, I know they balloon.
I feel like they're just gonna explode.
Eventually. I know mine is on a max 8, that's for sure. All right, let's see what you got. There you go. Oh! Did you? Oh my God. Bumper's a little bit. Woo! Making sure my diffs are still good. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, I love that step up. Yeah, you gotta hit it pretty quick right down there and you can get you a good step up. There you go. That was sick. As rocks are flying everywhere. Oh, nice. Oh, there is water. There is water. Oh. No. Bro, no. Out of everywhere you hit the water. Is it deep? That's dedication right there. Sledge right back at it. Yeah, if you hit a run up from back there, dude, just imagine how far it's gonna fly. Oh, over the rock. Trash can! Oh, I thought I had it finally. Dang it. There you go. She made it up one way or another.
Hey, I'm not used to the environment.
I know. This new environment for you. I'm not ever gonna judge. I just want to play with my toys in peace. Oh! Oh, what a no shot. Dude, I just landed and it stuck. What do you guys think so far? Who's winning? Durability, power-wise? Let me know. Oh, yeah. Oh. There you go. Your bumper coming off, but that's fine. Runner touch you quit. If you just ease into it, brother, you'll get it. Like that right there. Oh, nice. You did it, though. Yeah, just get you a longer run up and ease into it. Oh, nice backflip. No. Nice. Oh, my God. There you go. Get you a little smooth one. Oh! Oh, headshot, buddy. We're really trying to get for the trash can. We haven't made it yet, but we're trying to make it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was a nice one. Too far left. Oh! Nice. Double, baby. They're doing pretty good right now, man. Stock power system's still able to do anything you need them to. Oh! What jump do you like so far? You like this one or you like the other one better?
I feel like if I do this jump, where to hit it and all that, I'd like this one better.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's all about just learning. All right, boys, phone overheated. We got the GoPro out here now, so let's finish off this Sledge versus Kraton video. No breakages yet. You lost the front bumper, though. Well, guys, I've never lasted a full 9500 battery in this Kraton. But not gonna jinx it, but it's looking like we might. Let's get back to it. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Something doesn't sound good. Uh-oh. I just jinxed it. I think my diff is going out. No, Kraton diff. Yep. Yep. I literally just jinxed it. Yep. So I'm gonna have to go and redo my diffs now. Stock Sledge diffs are outlasting this built diffs. Nice. Oh, there it goes. It's done for. Look at that, done for. I literally just jinxed myself. Oh, there you go. Wow, can't believe it. Oh, I can't control it. Diff is gone. What did you do? Andrew made it. Dead batteries. Kraton didn't. Blown differential, boys. See where his Kraton's coming. Whoa! Nice. Can't believe I blew him. We're gonna go see if it's the sun gear, boys. So I'm pretty sure I know which one won. And this is a Kraton versus Sledge. Sledge, I think, wins every time.
Oh, Sledge gonna win every time.
Yeah, man. What do you think? Sledge wins every time?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
If you're coming to a toughness competition, but if you're coming to acrobats, handling, speed, Kraton's gonna kick his
Man,
every time.
Yep. Kraton for its acrobats will win every time. It's got the punch 9 on the stock system. That's what you guys want, but for toughness, Sledge wins every time.